Hey guys, welcome back to your December month's reading. So ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं वेस्ट करते हैं. A lot of you are already texting me कि दिसंबर की रीडिंग कब आएगी. So here it is. Okay, guys, if you do like my readings, please subscribe my channel. Please like it. Please share it with your friends. And also, if you do want to do personal readings, then I will be linking my website down in the description. वहाँ पे जाके आप अपने personal sessions book कर सकते हो. ठीक है? So this video is part 1. We will be covering Aries till Virgo. Okay, so let's start with the energies of the month. Aries ascendant and Aries moon. Let's start with the energies of the month. If you are an Aries ascendant or Aries moon, let's start with your energies of the month. दिसंबर मंथ की हम बात कर रहे हैं इसमें. Let's start with your energies of the month for Aries. Okay, I've got a lot of cards. Just hold on. So the first card I have is going with the flow. So I think Aries, December is one month where you don't want to control a lot. You just want to go with the flow, and you are more in the energy of surrendering. Okay, you're surrendering your life. You are giving one chance to the universe to take care of things for you. Okay, which is not a very Aries thing to do, by the way. Aries are someone who likes to take charge of their lives, likes to take charge of everything that's happening around them. But I think as an exception in the month of December, you are surrendering and you want to show that trust, that faith in the universe. Okay, यहाँ पे मुझे past life का card भी आया है, which means there could be some past life connection, soulmate connection, karmic connection that could be around you. Okay, you may also have to release a lot of your past life karma in this month. Okay, so थोड़ा painful भी हो सकता है second half में. We will open your tarot cards so that we get some more idea कि कैसा जाने वाला है. So give me a general future for Aries. What can Aries expect in the month of December? In general क्या expect कर सकते हैं? Okay, so we have strength and Four of Wands. So I think love, relationship, marriage is definitely one pain point for you, Aries. Okay, sometimes you may have this thought that is this even for me? You may have these kind of thoughts कि क्या ये मेरे लिए बना भी है? Will I ever get married? So you may have these kind of thoughts. Okay, and because Aries being ruled by Mars, right, so usually you also tend to marry late in your life. Okay, तो कभी कभी ऐसे thoughts आने लग जाते हैं कि पता नहीं मेरी शादी कभी होगी नहीं होगी, रिलेशनशिप मेरे लिए बना है कि नहीं बना है. Okay, if you're already married, then also there could be some problems here and there in your with your spouse or in your marriage. So उस चीज़ का आपको थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखना है. यहाँ पे मुझे डेविल कार्ड आया है which talks about lot of toxicity and obsession. Okay, anger is something that is definitely you need to work on in the month of December, otherwise it is going to create havoc for you. Okay, there is someone in your life. I'm getting a very strong Capricorn energy and Earth energy, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Now this person may just trigger you. Okay, it could be your boss, it could be your, I don't know, your lover, your spouse. Okay, but there is some very strong masculine energy that may keep triggering you. Okay, keep bringing your traumas back into your life. What else? Three of Cups. I feel like second half of the month is definitely looking better in terms of celebrations, get-togethers, family reunions and all of that. Okay, so second half में as the month ends, okay, you're going to have a lot of celebration. Oh, and now I remember, because month end is going to be New Year also, right? So there's going to be a lot of festivals. Christmas, Thanksgiving, all of those are going to come, and then finally we are going to end with New Year. So I feel like the second half of the month is definitely looking very festive for you. I think you're going to go out, meet with your friends, meet with your family. You may plan some trips, some parties, you may go for clubbing as well. So you can do all of that. Okay, so definitely second half की energy मुझे काफ़ी अच्छी दिख रही है. कार्ड्स में। लेट्स चेक योर करियर कि करियर में कुछ ऐसे खास चेंजेस आने वाले हैं या नहीं आने वाले हैं। लेट्स चेक योर करियर फॉर एरीज इन द मंथ ऑफ दिसंबर। कैन यू टेल मी इन जनरल कैसा जाने वाला है करियर फॉर एरीज? लॉट ऑफ टॉक्सिसिटी, लॉट ऑफ इनसिक्योरिटीज अराउंड मनी, स्टेबिलिटी, career. You know, you also have to be a little careful here. Moon की क्या एनर्जी है यहाँ पे? Again, I'm getting very masculine. I don't know why, but something is wrong with the masculine counterpart, okay? Especially if you're a woman, I'm telling you, and even if you are a man, I'm telling you that, you know, you may have some toxic masculine, either boss or colleague or someone that you would have to be careful of, Aries, okay? Because I feel like that this person is not what they show themselves to be. So you definitely have to be careful here. Money is going to be okay. You may face certain problems with regards to the stability of your finances. So it's like you earn money, okay, but you are not stable with that. So either you could be someone who's very extravagant. You get money but then you just spend it, okay? So that could be one issue with you. तो यहाँ पे stability को लेके मुझे थोड़े से you know डाउट्स एंड फियर्स आ रहे हैं. प्लस ऑल्सो आई फील लाइक यू डोंट फील स्टेबल और यू मे नॉट फील स्टेबल इन द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन यू आर वर्किंग. सो चाहे आपका खुद का बिजनेस हो, चाहे आप किसी और के लिए काम कर रहे हो, मुझे लग रहा है स्टेबिलिटी का एक इशू है जो आपको महसूस होता है, ओके या होगा दिसंबर में. समथिंग इज नॉट फीलिंग गुड, नॉट फीलिंग राइट हियर इन योर हार्ट, ओके. सो ये एक चीज़ है, मुझे एक और डेक लेके बैठना चाहिए था. लेट्स हैव अ ग्लिम्स ऑफ योर लव लाइफ एज वेल कि लव लाइफ में कुछ हो सकता है, ख़ास नहीं हो सकता है. एरीज की लव लाइफ मुझे बताइए. एरीज की लव लाइफ दिसंबर में. ओह, हाई प्रीस्टेस. व्हाट इज द सेवन ऑफ सोर्ड्स हियर? ओके. Okay, so Aries, see, I feel like there is a part of you, okay, I feel like you're ignoring someone or someone is ignoring you, okay, very strongly I'm getting. And this person could be someone, you know, who stalks you, who's kind of interested in you, but then when you want to confront them with your emotions, they just disappear. They don't want to, they ghost you. They are also very inconsistent in your life. I feel like especially, you know, if you have someone in your mind who you want a commitment from, and the moment you ask for commitment, this person just ghost you like this, you know, they just disappear, okay. Marriages or long-term commitment is definitely one pain point I feel in your love life, okay. You do get people who are, you know, who are good for the time being, people who show interest in you, but then the moment things start to get a bit serious, they just tend to leave. So I feel like there seems to be some kind of loop in your love life as well, okay. So अगर ऐसा कुछ हो तो मुझे comment पे ज़रूर बताना एरीज. Also for those who are single and for those who want to get mingle, you know, someone who is like who parted ways with their partner and they want to settle down with another partner, I feel like there are good chances, okay. There are good chances that you can also meet somebody new, okay. This can happen either at a place where you are working or you are acquiring some kind of knowledge, okay, जैसे school, college, या फिर किसी कोचिंग क्लास आप जा रहे हो, या फिर जहाँ पे आप काम कर रहे हो, या फिर आप ट्रैवल कर रहे हो, ठीक है. सो ये 3-4 केसेस मुझे लग रहे हैं जहाँ पे आपको ये पर्सन मिल सकता है. अदरवाइज प्लीज़ कीप एन ओपन माइंड कि ये जनरल रीडिंग है तो पर्सन कहीं पे भी मिल सकता है, ठीक है. बट आई फील लाइक कि सो बेसिकली इफ़ यू वॉन्ट टू, सो गुड टाइम इज़ फॉर पीपल हु वॉन्ट टू स्टार्ट अ न्यू रिलेशनशिप. गुड टाइम फॉर देम, ओके. बट समवन हु ऑलरेडी हैज़ समवन इन देयर माइंड एंड दे वॉन्ट कमिटमेंट फ्रॉम दैट पर्सन, तो वो वहाँ पे मुझे थोड़ा सा डिफ़िकल्टी लग रही है, ठीक है. ओके, सो लेट्स चेक कि आपके लिए रोमांस एंजल्स क्या कहते हैं. एरीज के लिए दिसंबर मंथ में रोमांस एंजल्स आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे उनके लव लाइफ के लिए. केमिस्ट्री, वाओ, Anything else you would like to say to Aries? Heart to heart conversations. Okay, so first card for you Aries is chemistry. There's a strong magnetic attraction here, so you may attract someone or you already have someone in your life जिसकी तरफ आपको बहुत एक strong chemistry महसूस होती है या होगी, depending upon the situation. Now heart to heart conversations, honestly discuss your feelings with each other. So I feel like here an honest open expression of love is very important. So whatever you feel about someone, okay, you just express it. Okay, don't keep it till yourself, because ऐसा सोचो कि मैक्स टू मैक्स क्या ही हो जाएगा, मतलब वो पर्सन आपको रिजेक्ट कर देगा या कुछ और, ठीक है, लेकिन एटलीस्ट आपके मन में जो ये बोझ है ये तो कम से कम हल्का हो जाएगा, राइट? सो आई फील लाइक एंड आई ऑनेस्टली फील दैट यू नो वट एवर इज देयर, यू जस्ट टॉक इट आउट. When you talk it out, you feel very light within. That's my secret of feeling light all the time, because I just speak it out. I don't keep things to my heart at all. Okay, so you try that. Have heart to heart conversations with your person, and just be open for any outcome. You know, anything. I mean, you can't force someone to love you, but you should also not keep your love till yourself and just not express it. Okay, and I would expect the cross watcher as well. Like if you're a cross watcher, if you love any Aries, I would say the same thing to you. You know, if you love them, just express it. Come on, at least in 2025, enter in 2025 with clarity कि एटलीस्ट मुझे पर्सन पसंद करता है, नहीं करता है, मुझसे शादी करना चाहता है, नहीं करना चाहता है. एटलीस्ट उस क्लैरिटी के साथ 2025 में एंटर करोगे ना, यू विल ओनली फील गुड. ठीक है, चलो अभी मैं एक गाइडेंस निकालती हूँ और फिर मैं आपके लिए एक लव नोट निकालूंगी. ठीक है, सो एरीज के लिए गाइडेंस महादेव, एरीज के लिए गाइडेंस, एरीज लग्न एंड मून, एरीज लग्न एंड मून. So Aries, for you we have a father's love. A father's love for his son or daughter never dies. The strength gained from such love is often unquantifiable, in that it can be tapped into at any time for whatever reason, whether your father is still here or has passed. A father's love is one of the strongest bonds any of us will ever experience. Okay, so your guidance is definitely to be closer to your fathers or father figures if you don't have father in this physical world. Okay, I feel like you know, somehow their energy can heal you or their conversations can give you a lot of clarity. Okay, so being closer to your father in this month is going to be profitable for you, and possibly for your parents, for your father as well. Okay, alright, so now it's time for a love note, especially for people who are in no contact situation with their person. Let's see what their person may want to say to them. Just give me one note is enough. One note is enough. Okay. Oh, one note was already there. Okay, let me see. I think of you a lot. Look at that. So this note fell down automatically. I think of you a lot. Okay, so I feel like your person wants to say this. Only if the reading will resonate with you, this message will be for you. Okay, and the second note says I can't take stand. Exactly what I was telling you, right? कि I told you ना कि जब आप commitment की बात करते हो, then this person just goes away, right? Because probably somehow they think that they can't take stand for your love. So possibly आप लोग के बीच में हो सकता है cultural difference, caste difference, ये सब हो. Okay, and they want to say that they can't take stand for you. So you have to stand up for yourself, Aries. If they can't take stand, then you stand up for yourself and take a wise decision for yourself. Okay. Hi Taurus, welcome back to your December month's reading. If you are a Taurus ascendant or moon, then this reading is for you. No Taurus sun, no Taurus Venus, only ascendant and moon. Okay. So let's see how your energy is going to be for the month of December, Taurus. Show me Taurus ki energies for the month of December. Taurus ascendant, Taurus moon. We are the world and ripeness. So something is definitely coming to a full circle here for you, Taurus. Something is ending or something is completing. Okay, I feel like you will learn lot of karmic lessons that was important for your soul's growth. And then December is the month where you go for the new beginnings. Okay, especially in the sector of career, in case if you have done a lot of hard work and you were thinking कि कब मुझे result मिलेगा, then I think December is the month when you finally get rewarded for all the labor that you did in the past. Okay, so ये एक बहुत अच्छी चीज़ है. Let's look at a general future for Taurus in the month of December. ठीक है, Justice card आया है. As I said, karmic justice is definitely going to be there. Some of you may even get into some kind of legal matters. Some of you may want to buy a property or sell a property. Some of you may want to get into like relationship or marriage kind of a thing. Like marriage registration हो सकता है आप लोगों का, कुछ लोगों का यहाँ पे. ठीक है, we have Eight of Swords, we have Queen of Cups, and one more, Five of Pentacles. The second half is looking very bad for you, Taurus, and I feel like that most of the things are just happening because you are overthinking it. So it's like the start of the month may feel good, light, but then you start overthinking and then you just mess up your rest of the days. Okay, so Taurus, in case if you are doing it, some of you may have a lot of insecurity around relationship and marriage. Okay, and the problem is that especially in December, you may just closed off yourself. You may just close off yourself, like whatever you're thinking, you're feeling, you may not want to speak about it, and that's just adding more and more chaos in your energy. Okay, so be careful with that. I feel like some of the past events may also haunt you. Some of you, you may have lost your friends, or your exes. Some of you, someone may have ghosted you in the past or will ghost you in December. So these things, okay, the pain from the past, I feel like, is overpowering you in the second half of December. You may feel very emotionally unstable, although you will try a lot to feel better, to not express, to not show people that I'm feeling sad and whatever, but I feel like it will get difficult for you to keep yourself intact. Okay, so I honestly have a feeling that the month is not bad. You're just making it difficult for yourself just by overthinking. Okay, so don't overthink. Wow. Alright, let's check your career, Taurus. Let's check your career, especially career दिसंबर में टॉरस का कैसा रहने वाला है. जस्ट शो मी देयर करियर. फोर ऑफ वॉन्ड्स कार्ड इतना ज़्यादा क्यों आ रहा है, आई डोंट नो. लगता है कुछ लोगों की शादी वादी पक्का फिक्स हो ही जाने वाली है, या फिर घर वर का कुछ तो मैटर होने वाला है यहाँ पे. ओके, शो मी देयर करियर. ओ माई गॉड, व्हेन आई एम आस्किंग करियर आई एम गेटिंग ऑल लव सॉर्ट ऑफ कार्ड्स हियर. सो आई गेस लव इज़ डेफिनेटली, कहते हैं ना, मेरा प्यार ही मेरा कर्म है. वैसा लग रहा है जैसे. I feel like you guys have become, some of you, you have become very adamant of getting married or getting into relationship. मतलब you are like कि अब मुझे single नहीं रहना, अब तो मुझे कोई ना कोई चाहिए ही चाहिए, ऐसा. तो थोड़ा सा adamant attitude मुझे यहाँ पे दिख रहा है शादी या relationships को लेके. I feel like work wise things are going to be okay. मंथ एंड आते आते आपको कुछ एक अच्छी न्यूज़ भी मिल सकती है, कोई अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी भी आपके पास आ सकती है. कुछ लोगों के लिए मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है यू ऑल्सो मे हैव लाइक मल्टीपल ऑफर्स. यू मे गेट मल्टीपल ऑफर्स प्रोवाइडेड यू डू गिव इंटरव्यूज़, क्योंकि ऐसे आसमान से तो नहीं टपकेंगे. ओके, बट आई फील लाइक करियर वाइज द मंथ इज लुकिंग गुड. सम ऑफ यू मे ऑल्सो हैव टू ट्रैवल related to work again. Now some of you may even find someone new at your workplace, like you may find someone to talk with, someone you may get attracted to someone at your workplace. तो ऐसी भी situation यहाँ पे मुझे बनती हुई दिखाई दे रही है. लेट्स चेक योर लव लाइफ टॉरस एंड व्हाट यू कैन एक्सपेक्ट इन योर लव लाइफ. लव लाइफ में टॉरस क्या एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं. 5 ऑफ wands. टॉरस असेंडेंट एंड मून. अगेन देखो शादी और कमिटमेंट को लेके मुझे यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा chaos दिख रहा है दिसंबर में. दिस इज़ वेरी फनी कार्ड्स एक्चुअली. So your cards for the love life is like this. Okay, it's very up and down. I feel like one moment you may feel like you're happy wherever you are, and the other moment you just crave for something that you don't have. Okay, I feel like definitely long-term commitments, marriage and relationships is definitely a problem here. Is a pain point, talk of the town for you. There can come quarrels as well, especially if you're already married or engaged. Just be careful that there could be some chaotic situation, some fightful situation between your spouse, your fiance or whatever. If you are someone who is looking for love or manifesting love, I think you can meet someone who is of water element, of air element. Okay, so Aries, water element, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, air element, Libra, Gemini, Aquarius. Okay, so इस तरह का साइन कुछ you may attract towards yourself, again only if you are open for love and relationships. If you are not, then it's not possible. Some of you, I feel like you are recovering from your past wound in terms of relationship. Again, some of you may have had a very difficult past with regards to your love life, and you are more in the energy of recovering out of it. Okay, all right, let's check your romance angels. Taurus ascendant and moon. Romance angels क्या कहना चाहते हैं. Let your friends help you. Okay, so Taurus, ask help from your friends wherever needed. Okay, don't be like a single man army, single woman army. वो सब करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Wherever you feel that your friends can help in your situation, ज़रूरी नहीं है कि वो आपकी सेटिंग ही कराना हो. इट कैन बी लाइक you're feeling miserable inside and you want to talk to a friend to feel better. Okay, so we don't always have to be stronger. Sometimes we can be weak, and it is okay, and it happens with all of us. Okay, and the second card for you is pay attention to the red flag. So definitely the signs are cautioning you. If you are feeling like somebody is not what they show themselves to be, or something is not worth my time and attention, or I'm enough begging, I cannot beg anymore. If you do get any sort of red flag, I think it is time that you act upon it and stop ignoring it. Okay, let's see what is your guidance, Taurus. What is your guidance for the month of December? So I've got two cards for you. One is dream talk, one is ground yourself. So definitely I feel like in the month of December you may receive a lot of downloads from the spirit world in the form of dreams. Okay, so pay attention to your dreams. Maybe you can do a dream charting, to which I call it dream charting, because whatever dreams you're getting on particular days, you just write about it, because usually we tend to forget the dreams we see. Okay, so you chart it, and then later on you try to analyze why you would have gotten such dreams. We call it dream charting. वो आप दिसंबर मंथ में कर सकते हो, because I feel like you may receive a lot of downloads in the form of your dreams. Okay, so don't ignore them. And also do some grounding. You may feel very distracted, unfocused, tired and irritated and impatient because you are not grounded. Okay, now what do we mean by grounding? We mean that we have to be always attached with the earth element. Earth element is very important for us, right? हमारा जो पहला चक्रा है, रूट चक्रा, वही ग्राउंडिंग की बात करता है, right? So when we are not grounded, right, it affects our root chakra, which affects our all other chakras, right? And we feel insecure, we feel distracted, we feel tired, we feel unmotivated when we are not grounded. ओके, सो दैट इज़ वाई ज़मीन से जुड़े रहिए. You can walk barefoot on the ground. You can go for some meditation. Try to sit on the ground more. Try to walk barefoot more so that you stay connected with the earth element. Okay, or you can also start hugging trees. That will also help you with your grounding. So let's check a love note for you, in case it is especially for people who are in no contact situation with their person. What their person would be saying to them. Give me one note. What possibly their person could be saying to them. Give me just one note. Okay, so I have one for you. I want to hug you. Okay, Taurus is someone here you are in no contact with, wants to say this to you, that they want to hug you really badly. Wow. Okay, so that's about it, Taurus. Hi Gemini, welcome back to your December month's reading. So let's start with the energies of the month, how your energies for the month of December are going to be. This is valid for you if you are a Gemini moon or ascendant. Gemini moon, Gemini ascendant, दिसंबर में आपकी एनर्जीज कैसी रहेंगी वो मुझे बताइए. ओके, so Gemini, for you I'm seeing stress, control, compromise and understanding. Okay, so I feel like there is going to be some stress around you in the month of December. We'll look into the tarot cards. Once we go there, we'll see what kind of stress this could be. I feel like you're doing a lot of self-control. Okay, it's like you want to say a lot of things, you want to abuse, you want to like act, but then you're controlling because of some situation. I also see you doing a lot of compromises, especially in the second half, and then finally kind of, either making yourself comfortable with all the compromises, or you're making someone else to understand your point of view. We'll check on the cards when we come there. Okay, ऐसा होता है ना कि जैसे हम दूसरों को नहीं समझा सकते तो हमने खुद को समझा लिया, या हमने दूसरों को समझा दिया. सो आपकी सिचुएशन में क्या है वो हम देखेंगे, बट आई फील लाइक कि एज द मंथ एंड्स यू विल गेट सम अंडरस्टैंडिंग एंड क्लैरिटी अबाउट द सिचुएशन. ठीक है. ओ गॉड, मुझे लग रहा है मुझे पानी की ज़रूरत है. सो जेमिनाई असेंडेंट, जेमिनाई मून, दिसंबर में क्या आने वाला है प्लीज़ मुझे बताइए. जेमिनाई असेंडेंट, जेमिनाई मून, जेमिनाई असेंडेंट, जेमिनाई मून, व्हाट इज कमिंग फॉर देम इन द मंथ ऑफ दिसंबर. जेमिनाई असेंडेंट, जेमिनाई मून. वन मोर. ओके, सो यहाँ पे डेथ का कार्ड आया है. ओके, 4 of Wands. ओके, सो आई फील लाइक कि Gemini, I'm seeing you talking to a lot of people. So I think this could be either because you are communicating with people because you want to get married, or because your family, your parents are showing you with different kind of, people. Some of you, I feel that, you may even end up getting either married or engaged or roka fight or something like that. Some of you may find a really good relationship for yourself. In the mid of the month, I'm also seeing you guys traveling. Okay, something may end here, or something that has ended in the past may re-begin. Okay, so दोनों सिचुएशन हैं, पर अब किसके लिए क्या होगा वो तो वक्त ही बताएगा. बट आई फील लाइक कि समथिंग दैट हैज़ एंडेड मे कम बैक स्ट्रोंगर. ओके, एंड सेकेंड सिचुएशन, समथिंग ends and then something new begins. Okay, I feel like financially this month is going to be okay. You're going to receive the support, you're going to get the support. Okay, you may get some gifts, you may also want to gift some people. I feel like you will be reconnecting with your hobbies, things, your creativity, things that you would like to do. Okay, second half में थोड़ा सा stress मुझे दिख रहा है, but then first half is looking better to me. थोड़ा सा काम का स्ट्रेस हो सकता है, बिकॉज you know, you are a very competitive sign and you don't want to underperform or you don't want to average perform. Okay, you want to be the best. So in order to be the best, you also have to work a little more, which may, you know, which may give you some stress, but that's okay. That's okay. I think eventually it is just bringing more success to you. Okay. Some of you, you may also start talking to other people, to new people, is what I feel. ठीक है, चलो, let's check your career. Gemini ascendant, Gemini moon. Let's check your career. ठीक है, okay. Moon, 10 of Pentacles. Gemini ascendant, Gemini moon. Show me their career. ओके, वर्क वाइज थोड़ा सा मुझे एनवायरनमेंट कॉम्पिटिटिव लग रहा है. ओके, व्हाट इज द मून एनर्जी? ओके, see, career wise I feel like you have to be a little careful, Gemini, because there could be some kind of, you know, politics that is played against you, or somehow you just become a part of some politics. Okay, financially I feel like you're doing good. You may also receive more financial opportunities towards you. Okay, but there is competition, and you know, some people may get really nasty just to be on in the eyes of the management, basically. Okay, is what I see. So I feel like, you know, try in this month, you should try not to become a part of any sort of politics. Okay, just be clean. Okay, play clean and don't say anything bad about anyone, and you also don't involve into any kind of shit. All right, let's see, Gemini, your love life. Gemini's की लव लाइफ दिसंबर में कैसी रहने वाली है? इन जनरल जेमिनाइज की लव लाइफ दिसंबर में कैसी रहने वाली है? इन जनरल जेमिनाइज की लव लाइफ दिसंबर में कैसी रहने वाली है? गिव मी वन मोर. Of it's not good. Judgment. Okay, so Gemini, see, especially if you already have someone in your mind, I think the time is going to be tough. There can come some physical distance also between you both. Could be due to festivals, the people are traveling here and there. Okay. Also the past traumas, the past wounds may also trigger the relationship. जैसे होता है ना कि तुमने पहले ऐसा किया, तुमने ऐसा बोला, तुमने ऐसा किया. So a lot of past blaming is what I see. So just be careful that you don't do that to your partner, and also when your partner does that to you, so you try to handle it with maturity. क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि इस तरह के इल्ज़ाम लगेंगे, या तो लगेंगे या आप लगाओगे इस तरह के इल्ज़ाम दूसरों पे, अपने पार्टनर पे. ओके, एंड देन इवेंचुअली समथिंग, देयर कैन कम अ सेपरेशन, देयर कैन कम सम एंडिंग्स एज वेल इन दिस रिलेशनशिप. ओके, इफ़ यू आर इन रिलेशनशिप. And if you are not, then I think for singles also, as such, I don't see much happening in the month of December. So if you are single, you may stay single. Okay, let's see what romance angels have to say. What romance angels have to say for you, Gemini, for your love life for the month of December. Soulmate. Anything else? Anything else for Gemini? Anything else for Gemini? Okay, so first card is soulmate. Yes, this is your soulmate. So some of you, Gemini, I feel like you're going to meet your soulmate in the month of December, or you have already met your soulmate. Okay, so अगर किसी के लिए भी आपको ऐसा फीलिंग आए कि यार दिस इज दिस माई सोलमेट, ओ वी आर सो परफेक्ट फॉर ईच अदर, देन जस्ट नो दैट पर्सन इज योर सोलमेट. ओके, and then the second card is, it is safe for you to love. Open your heart to give and receive the highest energy of all. Okay, so just because there is a lot of controlling energy on your cards, Gemini, I would say that don't control your emotions. Don't be inexpressive. Gemini is a sign of communication. Okay, so you have to communicate whatever you're feeling, and you also let your partner communicate whatever they are feeling about the connection. Okay, so don't keep it till yourselves and just burden up. All right, Gemini. Gemini who are in no contact with their partner, उनके पार्टनर उनसे क्या कहना चाहते हैं? Give me one card. Oh, I got two actually. So one is I think of you a lot. So some of you, you know, your person wants to say this to you, that they think about you a lot. And the other card is within a month. Oh my God. So कुछ तो बहुत बड़ा होने वाला है within a month. Okay, so we'll wait कि मंथ एंड तक क्या क्या गुड़ खिलाते हैं. Okay, hi Cancers and welcome back to your December month's reading. Alright, so let's check your energies. If you're a Cancer ascendant or moon, तो ये reading आपके लिए है. ठीक है, I have a lot of cards. I just need one more. So we have new vision and awareness. So Cancer, you know, there is something in you which is changing now. Alright, something in you is new. Your perspective towards life, your perspective towards people is changing. You are changing. You're getting aware of your existence. You're getting aware of the environment or some people around you. Okay, so I think this is a good energy to be in. Alright, let's check कि दिसंबर मंथ में आप क्या एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हो. 2 of Swords, High Priestess, 10 of Cups. So there is some situation, Cancer, which has given you a lot of tough time in the past, okay, or it could be already giving you a lot of tough time, and there is so much of confusion and fog around that situation. Itna zyada that I feel like you're not even able to make any decision right now, okay? But believe me when I say this, Cancers, if you want a clarity, you don't have to go out, you have to go within. You have to check, ask your intuition, ask your spirit guides, what is it that you need to do? Because I have a feeling that you won't get the answer outside of you. You will get the answer inside of you. So whatever your situation is, whatever situation you're stuck in, okay, try to ask question from your intuition and then see what answer you are getting. Okay, family wise, I think it's a good month. You'll spend good time with your family. Some of you may get marriage or engagement proposals. Some of you, your person may commit. Okay, some of you may even start talking to someone new. Some of you may start new job or new business, or may want to switch your current organization. Okay, so ये सारे आपके general messages आ रहे हैं. Let's see your career, especially your career. Cancer, how your career going to be in December? Cancer, आपका career दिसंबर में कैसा रहने वाला है? I don't know why, what is the problem, but I'm getting 4 of Wands for almost everybody. So I feel like कि बहुत लोगों ने जो है अपनी शादी 2025 में टारगेट करके रखी हुई है, including myself. ओके, सो आई गेस सभी ने अपनी शादी प्लान करके रखी है कि यार 2025 में तो कर ही देंगे. ठीक है, सो कैंसर career wise, Cancer, you have to be a little careful in the second half. Okay, I'm seeing some kind of deceptive people here. Okay, some people don't want to see you happy, some people don't want to see you grow. Okay, so you have to be careful with who you trust, what you talk, with your work. You know, you be diligent, you check every document, you check every email before you send it. First half is looking fine. Okay, I feel like you'll get appreciated for what you're doing. If not appreciated, at least you won't get demotion also. So it's going to be okay in the first half. Second half, you have to be a little careful because people may try to harm you or play politics against you, so you be careful there. Okay, overall this is okay. Second half, you have to be on top of your toes. Okay, now let's check your love life, Cancer. How your love life going to be in December? How your love life going to be in December. पहला कार्ड ही 10 of Swords का है. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. 10 of Swords, Justice, और क्या देखना बाकी है भाई? 2 of Cups. Okay, I feel like some of you are definitely attracting a new person here. Okay, क्योंकि जब तक पुराना जाएगा नहीं नया आएगा नहीं. Okay, I feel like कि for some of you, you know, if you have been thinking of ending the connection with your past person, I think हो जाएगा. December is the month where you will be like कि बस done is done. I don't want this person in my life anymore, and you may just want to cut your ties with this person. And the moment you do that is when you attract a new person who is looking very very good. अगर आप single हो तो definitely there are chances that you may attract a new person. और कैंसर ये जो नया पर्सन होगा ना ये ऐसा होगा जैसे बहुत ही ज़्यादा मैच्योर. ओके, समवन हु इज़ जस्ट लाइक यू, क्योंकि मुझे कैंसरियन एनर्जी आई है. तो समवन हु फील्स द इमोशंस एज डीपली एज यू डू, समवन हु कन्फेसेस एज क्लियरली एज यू डू. ठीक है, तो ये नया पर्सन मुझे ज़्यादा बेटर लग रहा है टू बी ऑनेस्ट. या आई डोंट वांट टू से एनीथिंग. फिर लोग बोलेंगे नहीं हमें तो पुराना ही चाहिए, राइट? सो लेट्स चेक योर रोमांस एंजल्स. कैंसर्स रोमांस एंजल्स, आप क्या मैसेज देना चाहेंगे कैंसर को फॉर द मंथ ऑफ डिसम्बर? फॉर द मंथ ऑफ डिसम्बर रोमांस एंजल्स आप क्या मैसेज देना चाहेंगे? आई ऑलरेडी गॉट वन कार्ड. लव योर सेल्फ फर्स्ट. कैंसर्स की बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम है इसमें. यू नो, दे कांट लव देमसेल्व्स. they just want to give and they don't want to be in the receiving end. Okay, so your guidance is very clear that you have to first love yourself, and if you don't do that, then see, if I can't appreciate the person I see in the mirror, then how do I expect someone else to do that? If I can't love myself, then how do I expect someone else to do that? So every change that I want to bring in my life starts with me. So I have to change myself if I want to see that change in my life. Okay? So you have to love yourself first. You have to start practicing self-love, and then I have pay attention to the red flags. So the signs are cautioning you. Please don't get too blinded by everything that you're not able to see the reality. See the reality, Cancer. Okay? Let's check your guidance. Cancer, let's check your guidance for the month of December. What guidance? Have fun. Oh my God, stop. When was the last time you had fun? When was the last time you took a chance and did something silly, something totally unlike you, something just for the joy of it? It's long overdue for you to let go of your analytical mind and give yourself and your soul permission to have fun. So please, Cancers, have some fun. Don't be too serious, okay? Alright, so let's check. If you are in no contact with your person, is there anything that they would like to say to you? Cancers who are in no contact, just give me one note for them. What their person would like to say. Oh, I have got two. Okay. So one is I want to break up. See, I was telling you कि पुराने वाले से नया वाला ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है. Okay, so for some of you, this is very clear that you know your person is not very interested and they want to break up. See. Second is I can't take stand. So if you already have someone in your mind, I feel like this person is not having that much courage, okay, and is not able to take stand for you. I told you. Hi Leos, welcome back to your December month's reading. I'm very excited क्योंकि ये आखिरी महीना है. If you are Leo ascendant and moon, then this reading is for you. Okay, so how your energies are going to be? Okay, no, मैं इसको नहीं लूँगी. ये exact same card आ गए जो मुझे Taurus के लाए थे. Leo ascendant and moon, दिसंबर की एनर्जी कैसी रहने वाली है? Leo ascendant and moon, दिसंबर की एनर्जी कैसे आने वाली है? ये बहुत अच्छा वुमेन है, and I'll tell you why. Okay, give me one more. Leo ascendant and moon, दिसंबर की एनर्जी कैसी रहने वाली है? I don't know why I'm getting so many cards for you. Just give me one card, please. Please just give me one card. For Leo ascendant and moon, just give me one card. What is wrong? I am not getting one card for you. Okay, let me try it for the last time. Okay, got it. Okay, so Leo, why did I say that's a good omen? Is because see, I got a lion here. Dun, dun. So there is a big shift in you, there is transformation in you, but it is for your good. Why? Because it's like a new you is appearing. Okay, it's like you're rebirthing. Okay, there is a lot of maturity in you, and I feel like, as the month ends, as the year ends and new year comes, you are going to be a completely new person. And if anyone you meet who is an old friend or something, I think they won't be able to recognize you, because there are big changes, not just in your life, we will check that, but I think big changes are coming within you, your perspective, perception, big changes in your life. Okay, something that is going to give you a lot of maturity. All right. So let's see Leo ascendant and moon, what is coming for them in the month of December. Leo ascendant and moon, what is coming? Kahan gaya? Leo ascendant and moon, what is coming for them in the month of December? First we have 3 of cups. Okay, so definitely hanging out with friends, family. Okay, then we have temperance. Then we have 10 of cups and one more. Okay, so why is there a 5 of cups here? Just a second. So Leo, see, I have a feeling that some of you are going to just enjoy your time with your friends as December starts. Okay, you're going to like go for parties, reunion, family get-togethers and all of that. I also feel like as the month ends, you may also want to travel. Okay, I feel like some of you also may get some good shadi ka rishta, engagement. I don't know why, but I'm getting this for everyone, literally everyone. Okay, so I feel like I was also telling this to Cancerians, but I'm telling this to you as well, that I feel like you guys everyone has planned their marriages in 2025, okay? Because literally I'm getting marriage card for everyone. Or this could be that you're spending time with your family, क्योंकि festive season है तो chances है कि हर कोई अपनी family के पास जा रहा होगा. That could also be the reason that we are getting 10 of cups here. So I feel like overall it is fine. There can come some disappointments, Leo, with regards to a particular person. यहाँ पे मुझे earth energy आ रही है, it could be earth or water. Okay, I have a feeling that a masculine energy more precisely is coming, but it's not about gender. I feel like someone in particular is going to disappoint you a lot, and to overcome that, okay, you are like going out, you're partying, you're going to meet your family, friends, you're traveling because you want to get over from that pain. Okay, now कुछ के केसेस में ये पेन ऑलरेडी एग्जिस्ट कर रहा है एट दिस मोमेंट, ये ऑलरेडी हो चुका है, कुछ के केस में होगा. ऑलराइट, बट आई सी दिस, बट ओवरऑल द मंथ इज लुकिंग गुड टू मी. ओके, सो लियो का करियर एक बार देख लेते हैं दिसंबर में कैसा जाने वाला है, पैसे वगैरह कैसे होने वाले हैं लियोज के. लियो असेंडेंट एंड मून, हाउ देयर मनी इज गोइंग टू बी, हाउ देयर career going to be. Oh god, I feel like I need water, I'm not able to talk now. Okay, one more. Okay, so see, first half my career is looking better, money wise is also looking better. I feel like you're doing a lot of trips and travels in December. Okay, second half mein it's not looking good. That's probably again because of the festive season. You may have spend a lot of money and then you're regretting later. So guys, please be careful, festive season hai, I know, but do keep your pockets in check. Okay, don't overspend that you have to regret later. Okay, so उस चीज़ का थोड़ा ध्यान रखना. लव लाइफ देख लेते हैं, लियोस की लव लाइफ कैसी रहने वाली है. महादेव प्लीज़ मुझे बताइए लियोस की लव लाइफ कैसी रहने वाली है इन द मंथ ऑफ December. लियो असेंडेंट, लियो मून, लव लाइफ कैसी रहने वाली है इन द मंथ ऑफ दिसंबर? वन मोर, व्हाट इज द डेविल एनर्जी हियर? ओके, सी आई फील लाइक लियो फर्स्ट हाफ में देर इज नथिंग मच आई सी ऑन द कार्ड्स ऑनेस्टली. You may have certain fears and insecurities around your love life. Again, बहुत सारे irrational questions. Is he cheating on me? Will I ever get married? Will I ever find someone? तो इस तरह के बड़े ही unnecessary questions आपके mind में आ सकते हैं. So just make sure that you are not overthinking. Okay? And I think second half में you're gonna feel better. Okay? I feel like अगर आप single हो especially, you're going to attract a lot of eyes on you because already Leo personality काफ़ी magnetic होती है, right? So automatically लोग आपकी तरफ अट्रैक्ट होंगे, आपसे बात करना चाहेंगे. कुछ के केसेस में I have a feeling that your toxic ex may try to come back into your life. So please take your decision very wisely, okay? अगर कोई toxic रहा है आपके साथ और आपकी लाइफ में वापस आना चाह रहा है, so I am not someone who will say कि इसको वापस अलाउ करो या नहीं करो, but I would say कि be wise, okay? And don't forget the past. ओके, सो पास्ट से कोई इंसान रिटर्न कर सकता है आपकी लाइफ में, पर उसका डिसीजन आप लोगे कि आपको उस इंसान के साथ क्या करना है बाद में. सिंगल्स के लिए मुझे कुछ खास यहाँ पे मैसेज नहीं आ रहा है. आई फील लाइक सिंगल लियोस के पास देयर इज गोइंग टू बी लॉट ऑफ ऑप्शंस. तो आप डिसाइड करोगे मुझे किसके साथ सेटल होना है या फिर मुझे बस फ्लिंग्स करने हैं. बट आई फील लाइक ऑप्शंस आर डेफिनेटली गोइंग टू बी देयर इफ़ यू आर सिंगल. ओके, लेट्स चेक रोमांस एंजल्स आपके बारे में क्या कहते हैं. लियो दिसंबर, रोमांस एंजल्स क्या कहना चाहते हैं आपकी लव लाइफ के बारे में दिसंबर मंथ में. न्यू लव एंड देन कीप एन ओपन माइंड. अ न्यू पर्सन हैज़ स्टर्ड योर रोमांटिक फीलिंग्स. तो कुछ लोगों के लिए तो डेफिनेटली नया लव आ रहा है जो कि कार्ड्स में भी दिख रहा है. कीप एन ओपन माइंड, योर सोलमेट may differ from your usual type and expectations. So what they are telling you is basically to keep an open mind. कभी कभी क्या होता है ना कि हम लोगों को we are too quick to judge people कि अरे इसका सैलरी कम है मुझे नहीं मिलना, अरे ये तो ऐसा दिख रहा है मुझे नहीं मिलना. What they are telling you कि कभी कभी आपकी लिस्ट से बाहर भी आपका सोलमेट हो सकता है. ओके, सो कीप एन ओपन माइंड, go talk to them, and then if you feel like नहीं जम रहा, then it is okay. All right, so let's check your guidance for Leos for the month of December. What is the guidance for Leos? I've got two cards, gratitude and choices. So as I said, choices तो आपके पास बहुत होने वाली है Leo. Now what kind of choices you will make will decide what kind of future you're going to have. Okay, so you will be rewarded, you'll be given a lot of choices by the universe, but you will have to take the right one. You have to make the wise choices so you get a good future. Okay, also keep practicing gratitude. Be generous because I feel like Leos में थोड़ा सा attitude का issue आ जाता है, थोड़ा ego आ जाता है. Okay, so be grateful, never stop showing gratitude towards your life, towards food, people, parents, love, friends, and everything that you are grateful for. Okay, so Leos, if you are in a no contact situation with your person, let's check कि उनकी तरफ से आपके लिए कुछ मैसेज है. Is there anything that they would like to say? Leo के person, any message that you can give? Okay, I've already got one card for you and it says I want to break up. I'm sorry guys. So your past person जो भी है, they are trying to say that they want to break up with you. Okay, इसलिए मैं बोल रही थी कि choices आ रही हैं यहाँ पे. Oh my God, I don't want to say. I'm so sorry Leos. Okay, so that's about it. Let's move to Virgo. Hi Virgos, and welcome back to your December month's reading. So let's see how your energy is going to be. If you are a Virgo ascendant or moon, then this reading is for you. Okay, so देखते हैं कैसी रहने वाली हैं Virgo की energies. Aloneness and one more. थोड़े से lonely आप मुझे feel करते हुए दिख रहे हो यहाँ पे, and going with the flow. Okay, so Virgo, I feel like December में, especially in the first half, you may have this feeling that, oh, I'm so alone, I'm so lonely, I'm so lonely, right? But you may still choose to just go with the flow. It's like you feel lonely, but you don't want to do anything about it. You just want to just go with the flow, and then it's like you've surrendered everything to the divine, everything to the universe, and you're like कि ठीक है, आपने जो किस्मत में लिखा है मुझे दे दो. But please understand कि किस्मत भी बनानी पड़ती है बहुत केसेस में, right? So going with the flow is always good, but never stop putting efforts wherever needed, right, Virgo? Okay, so let me show a general future for Virgo. December overall कैसा रहने वाला है Virgos के लिए. थोड़ा सा पैसे पे ध्यान दें. I feel like you may overspend a lot of money. So because you feel lonely, you may want to go out, party, go for trips, and do all of that and just be too extravagant and then just end up losing a lot of money. So finances is definitely that you have to be careful for. I think you may spend some good time with your family. You may want to spend some time with your family. For some of you, you may even receive a good proposal for marriage, engagement. Oh my god, like this is the 6th sign I am reading, and for all the 6 signs I'm getting this card. Like seriously, like everybody is getting marriage proposals. One more. Exactly. देखो मंथ एंड आते आते थोड़ा सा पैसों का प्रॉब्लम भी हो सकता है, ठीक है. सो इसलिए मैंने बोला ना कि दिसंबर में यू हैव टू मैनेज योर फाइनेंसेस प्रॉपरली, कि आप पूरा महीना अपनी सैलरी चला सको, ठीक है. थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे मुझे फटीग भी दिख रहा है, वर्कलोड में इंक्रीज, या फिर आपको ऐसा लग सकता है कि यार आई जस्ट हैव लॉट ऑफ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज ऑन माई शोल्डर. सो प्लीज़ टेक ओनली द वर्क दैट यू कैन कंप्लीट ऑन टाइम. सो ओवर कमिट नहीं करना है किसी भी चीज़ को लेके, ओके. ओनली इफ़ यू आर एबल टू डू इट, यू डू इट. किसी को दिखाने के लिए नहीं. शो मी देयर करियर. वर्गो का करियर इन द मंथ ऑफ दिसंबर. करियर में कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स आ सकती हैं. किसी मैस्कुलिन फिगर के साथ कुछ प्रॉब्लम आ सकती है, जो कि आपका बॉस हो सकता है, कोलीग हो सकता है. अदरवाइज मैस्कुलिन नहीं है, फेमिनिन भी हो सकती है, बिकॉज टैरो इज रियली नॉट अबाउट जेंडर, राइट. बट just be careful that you are being diligent to work, that you are being regular to work, क्योंकि festive season में मैंने देखा है people just tend to miss and be absent, right. तो वहाँ पे थोड़ा सा problem हो सकता है. So just make sure that you utilize your holidays well, and when you don't have holiday, you work, you come for work, and you really work. Okay, you work. What am I saying? Okay, so basically be diligent, be responsible towards your work, okay. Yeah, you may feel a bit dissatisfied with many things that are happening either with your boss or with your work, and you may feel like यार फेस्टिव सीजन है, मुझे छुट्टी में जाना है पर छुट्टी नहीं मिल रही है. तो ऐसे कुछ फैक्टर्स हो सकते हैं दिसंबर में which may just make you a bit dissatisfied, but that's okay, क्योंकि आपको काम तो करना ही है, राइट. बट एज सच मुझे कुछ मेजर ये नहीं दिख रहा है. आई फील लाइक वट एवर वर्क यू आर गेटिंग ना, जस्ट फिनिश इट ऑन टाइम, बिकॉज अगर आपने एंड के लिए कुछ रखा ना, देन इट इज़ गोइंग टू बी ओवरलोड बेसिकली. ऑलराइट, लेट्स चेक योर लव लाइफ वर्गो. how their love life going to be in the month of December. Lot of retaliation I'm seeing, no contact I'm seeing. अगर आपका already no contact है, so I think it may just continue. For some of you I'm seeing new love actually. Okay, so अगर आपका already no contact है किसी के साथ, तो I guess कि वो चलता रहेगा. If you are single or if you are open for new love, then I think you have a new love. Okay, I feel like some of you may get proposal from someone who does not stay in your city. Okay, or someone who travels for you. Okay, someone is very attracted to you. Someone who finds you very attractive may want to open up about their feelings. Okay, so confession भी यहाँ पे आ सकता है कुछ लोगों के लिए, मुझे दिख रहा है. Let's check romance angels. Virgo romance angels क्या कहना चाहती हैं आपके बारे में. Let's just check that. दिसंबर में रोमांस एंजल्स, फ्री योरसेल्फ. So Virgo, they are saying that you need to free yourself. It's time to take back the control of your life. So some of you could be like too stuck in your past, that you are ignoring all the good opportunities that you have, okay? And that's why the spirits are saying that you need to free yourself from any past bondage, and only then you can move forward to something new or something more exciting. We have chemistry, there's a strong magnetic attraction here. So some of you, you may find that extreme chemistry with someone here, someone new, someone old, बट किसी के साथ आपको बहुत अच्छी केमिस्ट्री फील हो सकती है. लेट्स चेक योर गाइडेंस वर्गो. लेट्स चेक योर गाइडेंस फॉर द मंथ ऑफ दिसंबर. Strength comes from many sources. Staying strong brings confidence, conviction, and a balanced body, mind, and soul. Spirit has its own unique and beautiful way of replenishing your soul with strength on continual basis. You're never really alone. We are always with you. That is such a beautiful message, क्योंकि आपका जो फर्स्ट कार्ड था वो था अलोननेस का, विच मीन्स यू वर फीलिंग लोनली, एंड आपकी जो गाइडेंस है वो है स्ट्रेंथ, एंड द स्पिरिट्स आर सेइंग दैट यू आर नॉट लोनली. आई मीन यू सी द कोरिलेशन, राइट? So you have to stay confident, you have to be balanced in your body, you have to stay convicted, because even if you feel that you are lonely but you're not, your spirit guides, your ancestors, your family, your friends, like someone will always. So guys, मैं आप लोग की रीडिंग कर रही थी और बीच में ही मेरा फ़ोन डिस्चार्ज हो गया, तो अभी मैं थोड़ा सा इसको चार्ज करके लेकर आई हूँ. आई डोंट नो हम कहाँ थे, बट मैं स्ट्रेंथ डिस्कस कर रही थी आपसे कि यू नो द स्पिरिट्स आर ट्राइंग टू से दैट यू आर डेफिनेटली नॉट लोनली, ओके, इवन इफ़ यू फील लाइक दैट. थोड़ी सी और हिम्मत रखिए. आई फील लाइक द टाइम विल डेफिनेटली चेंज, एंड वॉट एवर इज ट्रबलिंग यू राइट नाउ, आई फील लाइक आफ्टर अ वाइल you are going to be extremely thankful that some things did not work out in your life, okay? So because if we feel sorrow about something, is because we don't know the exact reason why it is happening. We can't see a bigger picture, right? But universe is huge, and there are many things which we don't know right now, which is not making sense to us. But once they do, then we are going to be grateful to God that thank God, yeah, aisa hua, okay? So keep that positivity in mind कि at the end of the day, your spirit guides, your God does not want bad for you. They want something good for you. And if they are rejecting something for you, they are just protecting you from something else. Okay? Okay, so if you are in no contact situation with your person, let's see what your person has to say to you, Virgo. Any message from their person, please? Oh, I got two. So one is, yeah, what I feel for you is different. Okay, so your person wants to say this, that what I feel for you is different than what I feel for others. I want to hug you. Okay, so these are the two messages from your person if you are in a no contact situation with them. And guys, with this, the first part of the reading is done. I will be coming with the second part again, which will have other 6 signs, okay? And that's how we will cover your December month's reading. I just want to thank you, each one of you, for watching my videos, for commenting on them, because as a small YouTuber, I think this works magic. It gives a lot of motivation, and trust me, अभी मेरा स्केड्यूल इतना ज़्यादा बिजी है, ओके, बिकॉज माई सिस्टर इज़ नॉट वेल, माई जीजू इज़ नॉट वेल, एंड लॉट ऑफ क्योर्स, माई नेफ्यू कीप्स कमिंग, देन आई हैव माई पर्सनल रीडिंग्स एज वेल. तो इन सब के बीच में आई एम स्टिल ट्राइंग टू टेक आउट टाइम फॉर योर रीडिंग्स, एंड इट्स बीन मोर देन 1 hour. अभी मैं इसको बैठ के 1 घंटा एडिट भी करूँगी, एंड देन आई विल बी अपलोडिंग इट. सो इट्स एक्चुअली अ लॉट ऑफ वर्क इन द बैकग्राउंड, ओके, एंड इट रियली फील्स सो गुड जब आप लोग कमेंट करते हो, आप लोग मुझे मैसेज करते हो, बताते हो कि रीडिंग कितनी रेजोनेट करी. इट रियली वर्क्स एज अ मोटिवेशन. सो अगर रीडिंग आपसे रेजोनेट करती है तो प्लीज़ कमेंट्स में कंजूसी मत करना, बिकॉज इस कंटेंट के पीछे का मेहनत बहुत ज़्यादा है. ओके, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर एवरीथिंग. आई लव यू गाइस. बाय.